First, open ChatGPT website. Write this prompt. You will find the prompt used in the video on description below. Run the prompt by clicking here. You can ask or request from ChatGPT anything you want to help you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video.